Finding good wireless earbuds that don't cost a lot can be really tricky. Most cheap ones, either they don't sound well, they are not comfortable in the ears, or they do not last long. If you're someone who's looking for earbuds for both music, for calls, for listening to music and vibing while you're in the gym, it can be hard to know. That's why I made this video. Giving you a full review of the iTel Buds is a 12,800 naira earpods. That's almost $8. Instead of talking about what's in the box, I tried to check out the iTel Buds is after seeing a lot of positive reviews online. When you open the box, you're greeted by a user manual, which is helpful if you are new to using wireless earpods. Then you see a micro USB-C cable for charging the AirPods. Then you see extra ear tips. These are replacement ear tips. Just get only one, and then you're greeted by the case and then the AirPods themselves. The earpods and the charging case, I would say they mimic the popular AirPods that we have come to know. But overall, the packaging feels simple and functional. After these earpods while doing chores, commutes, or run errands, and they tend to stay securely in my ears. I'll say the ear tips are customizable for different ear sizes. But after using the earpods after some hours of use, they tend to want to fall off. So I have to tap them in to stay back in. And the seal provides a passive noise cancelling and at least gives you it blocks some noise from your ambient environment. The earpods themselves, they feel sturdy and premium, while the charging case feels plasticky but durable enough for use. But the glossy finish might attract fingerprints. So if you want to get good use with this, it's advisable that you get at least a pouch. While there's no official IP rating, the build quality suggests that it can handle a little bit of sweat and moisture. One thing I didn't expect at this price was staunch functionality. The touch surface allows you to double tap to play and double tap to pause. And this feature works surprisingly well and adds convenience. And the light indicators on the earpods and the case gives ease and allows for straightforward pairing. Now let's talk about sound quality, my favorite part. So these earpods deliver solid bass, and the quality of sound is decent. I would say I enjoyed it while listening to podcasts, but I enjoyed it more while listening to music, right? So the bass was proficient, so it gave it the ambient sound, right? So while you're listening to it, it feels like you're right there, in the crowd and they're cheering and singing, and it was very loud. At some point, as someone that is not an audiophile, I had to tone it down to about 20%, right? My ears. Definitely, you are getting good bars for it. But one thing that I would have really loved was the mids and the highs. They were not as consistent as I wanted it. But overall, the bars is amazing for a 12,800 naira earpod. For calls, the microphone quality is decent. Callers can hear me, from wherever they were. I think the battery life is decent for this price point, especially giving you about 35 hours for single charge, and then for each earpod you get 5 hours of use, which is pretty decent for this price. Not to mention that charging is really quick, even with the micro USB-C cable, and the charging indicators on the case are intuitive and very, very helpful. Compared to other budget earpods I have tried, I would say the iTel Buds 8 stands out in its competitive sound quality and better battery life. While the audio performance doesn't match other premium earpods, it offers fantastic value at this price. Would I recommend the iTel Buds? Is absolutely. I recommend it to casual listeners, students, or gym enthusiasts. But if you're an audiophile who likes to have active noise cancelling, I would say this iTel Buds might not give you the experience you're looking for. Right? Well, thumbs up to iTel for delivering such a solid product at an affordable price. Well, will you be getting the iTel Buds? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. I'm Vivian, and I'll be seeing you in next video by Tech Mansion.